You want to use that one?
Yeah, sure. What's up, crafty?
A little louder though, so a little louder.
What's crafty?
Today we're drawing H, lowercase style, from alphabet lore. Are you ready to get started? Should be fun. 1, 2, 3.
First step is the eyeballs.
Eyeballs.
First
Eyeballs.
step is the
Eyeballs.
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 Eyeballs. Ready? Okay, so we're gonna do the eyeballs first. And this particular character, H, has pretty much squares with rounded corners for eyeballs. So we're gonna do them just above mid-page. Spread them out, one on this side, one on this side. Something like that.
Yeah.
Good. Now we're gonna put an oval in the middle, and then we're gonna color the rest in black. So the oval's gonna look like this, and the rest gets colored in black. Nice job, buddy.
Yay.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
One more eyeball on this side. Doesn't have to be perfect, does it?
No.
At Craft Kids TV, we do not go for perfection. We go for fun. That's right, buddy. Good job. I'm not going to worry too much if it's perfect. And here we go. You can always adjust the outside edges because it's black. We're going to do that same oval in the middle. And color it in. Don't color the oval in. Color everything else in besides the oval. Alright, so next is the body of the H. We're going to start with a line that goes up and a line that goes down. You ready, Odin?
Yep.
Okay, this line on this side, it comes out of the top portion of this eyeball and it goes up like that, about that far. Good. Just where it feels good, okay? And then you imagine that line coming through the eyeball and going straight down. Again, till it feels right, okay? Good.
Now we're gonna draw that.
Yeah, the upside down U part. Don't worry about that. Nobody will even notice it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the upside down U part. Don't worry about that. Nobody will even notice it. Oh yeah.
We're gonna draw sort of an upside down U shape in here so we can get the thickness right. And that U, upside down U shape, is gonna come very close to this eye and very close to this eye. So when we make the shape, I wanna stay consistent, or try to. So I just take my time and make that upside down U shape the best that I can. Okay?
And then we imagine a line.
Yeah, you've got that right, buddy. So we're gonna do the other side, and this line is gonna go, we wanna try to keep it about the same thickness as this. So, and it's gonna come up right about here into this eye. Good, now it's time for the fingers. They're not really fingers. They're the spooky part of H, the ghostly part, okay? They're gonna look like 3 fingers, sort of. Or 3 like bumps, basically.
And then one giant one at the end.
Yeah, the bumps start, Odin, as you saw Odin did. The first bump's kind of smaller, and the second bump's a little bigger, and the third bump is the biggest. And then you're gonna try to match that on this side. If it's not perfect, does it matter, Odin?
No.
No.
We don't go for perfection, we go for fun.
That's right, kiddo. And mine are not exactly the same on both sides, but that's actually a good thing. We don't want it to be perfect, right?
Yes.
Just spooky.
Okay.
Okay.
Now.
Yeah, now you're right. We're gonna actually do the curved part that comes over across the top, but I want you to pay particularly close attention to something. The line is gonna almost hit this because it's gonna be an overlapping line. So it's gonna come down and almost hit this eye, but you want your curve to try to remain a consistent distance away from this bottom curve. Okay, so
And
here
you connect
goes
the-
nothing. Yeah, Odin's going in front of me, so you were almost taking the lead here. No, that's okay. You can keep coming down into the eyeball right
Oh
there.
yeah, because it's.
Yeah, just come down into the eyeball. And so we'll follow Odin on this one. Okay, good. Now, I'm going to do the same thing that he did. I'm going to get fairly close to this eyeball. And then I'm going to try to stay consistently far away from here. And just curve that right into that eyeball right there. So, so it looks, so you can see where this H is going now. Okay? Now again, there's going to be an overlap here. So this piece is going to overlap and it's going to go straight up to meet the other piece.
Now we do that.
Yeah, and now we do the same thing we did on the bottom, do it on the top. Okay?
Short.
Yep, the short one's on the outside.
And then the big.
The middle's a
one.
little bigger. And then the inside is the biggest. Cool. That looks awesome. I did my H a little high on the page, but does it really matter?
No.
Nah, we're not going for perfection. We're going for
fun.
Okay. Now the mouth. The mouth is the only thing left. And the mouth is gonna, yeah, it's not easy, but we practiced it, right? So we should be able to do it, hopefully. So it's gonna be a straight line here and a straight line right over here. I want you to do those two lines first, okay? Did you do that? Are you already curving without Daddy? Oh man. Okay, no, it's fine. Do you wanna stop right there and wait for Dad? Okay. So Owen went a little bit ahead, which is fine. His mouth looks awesome too. Remember, these characters are oftentimes making different facial expressions. So Odin's guy is just making a slightly different expression. Okay? And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take and I'm gonna curve this mouth right across the top, and I'm gonna curve it right across the bottom. And I wish I had curved it a little more slight. That's okay. Gonna live with it because we're not going for perfection. We're going for fun. That's right. So mine's a little off, but I'm gonna fix it up when I thicken it. What we wanna do here in the middle, do you wanna join me, Odin?
Yeah.
So you wanna connect that, and then we'll make the tooth in the middle, okay? Yep, just connect those. Oh, nice job connecting. Now, the tooth in the middle is it's like a trapezoid, okay? So watch how Dad does this. You weren't watching, you were just going ahead on your own, weren't you?
Yeah.
That's okay. Like I said, these H's have different facial expressions. So my H just looks slightly different than his. His mouth is a little more open than mine. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna color in the outside portions that are not the tooth. Cool. And we have some H's that are done, except for color. So I think Odin and I are gonna perform a little magic trick here.
1,
Okay.
2, 3.
Okay, so what we're gonna do for our magic trick is we're gonna go,
And then
we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, open hand slam, and as soon as we boom with the open hand, it's gonna send the color from our hands into the H's. Okay?
color on here.
Yeah, here, just get some color from here. Okay, we've got some color. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It worked! Odin, check those out. That looks so cool.
That's so cool.
Very cool. Fist bump.
H. He doesn't really sound that young.
Yeah.
He still has kind of a. We feel like he should sound more like H. But regardless, these are our H's, and we think these are lowercase alphabet lower H's. We feel like they came out really good.
Yeah.
Don't block your face, man. Nobody can see your face.
Ah.
Yeah. Oh, doing. Did you have fun doing these, bud?
Yeah.
Yeah. We are going to do all of the lowercase alphabet lower letters. We're up to H, and we're going to keep on going. If you haven't seen our uppercase alphabet lower, check those out on Craft Kids TV on YouTube.
On 2025.
2025. Yeah, this is one of our first couple videos of 2025. We're sticking with them. We like these alphabet lower drawings. They're fun. Lots of fun.
And next year, when it's 2026.
Yeah, we'll keep doing them. If we haven't done them already, we'll keep doing them. Maybe do some
5,
number lore in there.
4, 3, 2. Happy New Year!
We're reliving the ball dropping experience. Okay, so I guess that's it.
Yeah.
Until we see you next time, keep drawing, stay awesome. Bye.